Picture this, a single investment of $1,000 morphing into a dazzling $1 million. Sounds like a wild crypto fairy tale, right? Today, we dive headfirst into the provocative question, can XRP truly transform modest stakes into millionaire dreams? Buckle up, because this journey through technical analysis, bold predictions, and a sprinkle of humor is going to challenge everything you thought you knew about crypto rallies. Welcome to Zaki Crypto Update, the channel where we cut through the noise and explore the unfiltered world of digital assets. I'm Zaki, your crypto enthusiast and storyteller, here to break down the intricacies of XRP and the factors that might just set the stage for an extraordinary rally. We're not here to serve generic advice or regurgitate tired predictions. Instead, we'll dissect fresh perspectives, entertain you with candid opinions, and maybe even laugh at the absurdity of some market expectations. If you're ready to rethink what you know about crypto potential, you're in the right place. Stick with me as we explore everything from the potential inclusion of XRP in a US digital asset reserve to the ripple effects of new ETF products. We're talking technical formations, market catalysts, and those eyebrow-raising projections that make crypto so irresistibly unpredictable. And yes, we're sprinkling in a dose of humor to keep you on your toes. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a clearer picture of XRP's future but also a few laughs to lighten the complex world of crypto analysis. So, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, you won't want to miss what comes next. Let's set the stage. XRP, one of the most debated digital assets, has been struggling to break past the $2 threshold amid an atmosphere of pervasive market uncertainty. Analysts have been quick to point out that this slump might be the calm before a storm. One notable voice, analyst xrpnews, has suggested that the recent declines are merely XRP's way of positioning itself to fill a symmetrical triangle formation, a technical pattern that might be signaling a significant reversal. Now, imagine a scenario where XRP doesn't just break free from its current confines but rockets upward to new all-time highs in the $4 to $6 range, as some market commentators predict. Even though these numbers may seem modest, they're a far cry from the vision some investors hold, that XRP could eventually trade at 2 or even 3-digit prices. This is where the fun begins. Picture yourself looking at your modest investment and wondering, could this be the start of something truly monumental? Before we plunge into the nitty-gritty, a quick crypto disclaimer: the content in this video is purely for entertainment and educational purposes. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing here should be taken as professional financial advice. Always do your research before diving into any investment. One factor generating substantial buzz is the potential inclusion of XRP in a US digital asset reserve. Recently, a significant twist in crypto regulation unfolded when an executive order mandated the formation of a working group on crypto. Among their tasks is to evaluate the possibility of creating a strategic digital asset reserve for the nation. Now, here's where things get interesting. Industry insiders have floated the idea that XRP might be one of the assets considered for this reserve. Imagine the US government allocating a staggering $500 billion toward acquiring XRP. In a hypothetical scenario, we explored by consulting advanced AI analysis, this massive purchase could push the XRP price to around $27, a target that analyst xrpnews has been vocally championing. But let's break it down. If you invested $1,000 in XRP at its current price of approximately $2.70, you'd pick up roughly 370 tokens. For $27 per token, your investment would swell to about $9,990. That's a handsome return of nearly $8,000 on paper, but still a far cry from the elusive $1 million dream. We move on to the next explosive factor. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you're enjoying this deep dive. Trust me, you don't want to miss the next part where we explore even more compelling factors that could impact XRP's trajectory. Let's shift gears and talk about another potential catalyst: the surge in demand for XRP ETF products. Recently, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has acknowledged several 19b4 filings for XRP ETFs, including submissions from notable players like Grayscale and 21 Shares. The buzz is real. If these products receive the green light and manage to capture even a fraction of the massive inflows seen by Bitcoin ETFs, the implications for XRP could be monumental. For context, Bitcoin ETFs have attracted inflows totaling around $39.98 billion since January 2024. If XRP ETFs were to secure just 50% of that amount, they'd be looking at nearly $20 billion in fresh capital. One market commentator, Zach Rector, recently pointed out that the capital inflows into XRP could have a multiplier effect on its market capitalization, roughly 212 times for every dollar of inflow. Applying this multiplier to the hypothetical $20 billion ETF inflow would add an astonishing $4.23 trillion to XRP's market cap. With XRP's current valuation sitting at about $156 billion, such an infusion could catapult its market cap into the trillions, theoretically pushing the token price to around $76. Now, consider the math. Your initial 370 XRP tokens, bought at $2.70 each, would be valued at approximately $28,120 if XRP reached $76. That represents a significant gain, a return of around $27,000 from a modest $1,000 investment. Yet, as impressive as that sounds, it remains a world away from turning that initial $1,000 into $1 million. In fact, for such a dramatic transformation, XRP would need to skyrocket to an astronomical price of roughly $2,702, implying a market cap of around $156 trillion. The likelihood of such a scenario, even in the wildest of crypto dreams, remains extremely slim. Now, let's take a breather and add some flavor to this technical cocktail. Crypto is a realm where wild optimism and harsh reality often do a peculiar dance. On one hand, there's the allure of turning modest investments into fortunes with a snap of the market's fingers. On the other hand, the actual math and market fundamentals can be as stubborn as a mule. It's like hoping that your pet hamster, after a quick sprint on its wheel, could somehow win the Boston Marathon. Hilarious as that thought may be, it underlines a serious point. While dramatic price surges make for captivating headlines, they remain a distant dream when measured against the concrete realities of market dynamics. I've always believed that while crypto offers unparalleled opportunities for explosive growth, it is also a realm where careful planning, deep research, and a good sense of humor go hand in hand. After all, if you can't laugh at the absurdity of expecting your portfolio to hit unicorn-level figures overnight, what can you do? Remember, if your crypto strategy relies solely on wild speculation, you might as well be wishing for a miracle. Ground your decisions in solid analysis, and always be prepared for the inherent volatility of the market. So, where does that leave us? XRP presents some fascinating opportunities, fueled by potential factors such as a U.S. digital asset reserve and the burgeoning demand for ETF products. The technical patterns hint at a possible rebound, and the influx of capital from new financial products could drive the price significantly higher, at least in theory. However, when we crunch the numbers, the leap from a $1,000 investment to $1 million windfall appears to require a leap in XRP's price that borders on the fantastical. Yet, the charm of crypto lies in its unpredictability. While the odds might seem stacked against a 1 in a million scenario, the evolution of digital assets has consistently defied conventional wisdom. Investors are drawn to crypto precisely because of its potential to disrupt traditional financial paradigms. Dream of turning $1,000 into $1 million with XRP remains a long shot. The journey itself is a compelling narrative of risk, reward, and the relentless pursuit of innovation. If you're finding this exploration as thought-provoking and entertaining as I am, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Your support keeps this channel thriving and ensures you stay updated on all the twists and turns of the crypto world. As we wrap up today's deep dive, I want to extend my sincere gratitude for spending your time with Zaki Crypto Update. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, I hope this video has given you a clearer perspective on the complex dance of factors that could drive XRP's price. While we dissect the numbers and analyze the trends, never forget that the crypto market is as unpredictable as it is fascinating. Before you go, I encourage you to check out the other videos on this channel. We have a treasure trove of insights, detailed breakdowns, and occasionally hilarious takes on the digital asset world. Remember, every like, share, and subscription helps us bring you more content that dives beneath the surface of the headlines. In closing, let's take a moment to appreciate the roller coaster that is the crypto market. The possibility of turning $1,000 into $1 million may be a stretch, but the lessons learned along the way, about market psychology, the impact of regulatory shifts, and the sheer unpredictability of digital currencies, are invaluable. Embrace the journey, do your homework, and keep your sense of humor intact as you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of crypto investing. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride. Until next time, this is Zaki Crypto Update signing off. Stay savvy, stay curious, and always remember, in the world of crypto, even the wildest dreams are worth a thoughtful discussion. Happy investing. The views expressed in this video are my personal opinions and do not constitute financial advice. Always consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay ahead of the crypto curve. Catch you in the next video, where we continue to explore the mysteries and opportunities of the digital frontier.